Drivin Ivan here, and there's quite a cool event going on today. As you can tell, there's my Lancia Delta Integrale. All sorts of stuff out here today. Big crowd. But most people have a mask on anyway, that's good. I certainly have mine on. See? Nice Rolls Royce. Looks similar to the one I reviewed. Just Google Drivin Ivan Rolls Royce and you'll see it. Also reviewed this Alpha here. It's a cool car. And my video for I bought the cheapest Jaguar XJR. I wonder if this is I don't think it's this XJR. It's just a regular. Oh, it is. It says it's an XJR. Threw me. I didn't think it was. Brash. There's some cool stuff out here today. All around. Lamborghini Urus over here. Gt2 wagon, Supra, Aston Martin. You name it, it's out here today. Absolutely. Supras are pretty cool. Nice to see them back. This is really cool, this kind of BMW police car. But the Urus is special. I think it's cool that Lamborghini's building the SUV. Check out my interview with Valentino Balboni twice. 1995 at the La Bella Macchina d'Italiana. Before a lot of you were alive, I'm pretty sure. That's where I met Valentino Balboni. And then he invited me into the factory for a private tour in 1999 before the museum opened. That's elsewhere on YouTube too. Just Google Drivin Ivan Valentino Balboni and you'll see that. But yeah, gotta love the Lamborghinis. And there's a lot of them here. The Huracan Evo is really, really cool. Over here, the Huracan Evo. Lot of stuff.
4C.
Walk out here, see the Ferraris. There's my Lancia Delta Integrale. Viper. All sorts of stuff out here. Probably like that Ferrari there, don't you? 488, like that. Pista. I know all the old Ferraris, no problem. Newer ones. NSX. Lamborghini City. Wow. Kind of a cool SVs, Gt2 Rs. That is one cool Gt2 wagon right there, no question about it. A lot of M. I got a couple BMWs myself. Really cool 6 Series, totally custom 635 CSI. Check that one out elsewhere on YouTube. Like I said, just Google Drivin Ivan in any car. There's some pretty cool, crazy stuff here today. See this one? This one's pretty cool back here. Look at this little Lotus hiding in back. That is one tricked out Lotus. I have two Lotuses, a Europa and an Esprit, so check those out on YouTube. Just Google Drivin Ivan, Lotus Europa or Lotus Esprit. I reviewed the Evora also, which is the 2+2 version of this, but you know, Lotus is one of the best track cars out there because they're just so quick. Simplify and add lightness is Colin Chapman's deal. C7. Gt2 Rs. A bunch of Gt3 Rs. Here's a Gt2 Rs. It's pretty cool. McLaren. Houston raced alone. All right. Aston Martin. Wow.
Yeah, it's only
a lot of stuff out here. Pretty cool NSX there.
No, I don't have any watches. I used to. My buddy used to.
Trying to show you as much as I can. Oh, there's a cool S2000 with a pretty cool paint job. Look at that. Food trucks all over the place. Look at this blue beauty. McLaren. What's the story with the wrap? It's cool.
I'm gonna get parked and take a piss.
Sure.
All about it.
Fair enough. This is pretty. Ah, it's like a lady driving it. I don't know. It's pretty cool. A lot of cool stuff out here today. Absolute electronics. Here's another Lamborghini Urus. Another Alpha Spider. The new Alpha Spider, that is. Check out my GTC GTV clone. That's pretty cool. Alpha, one you're not going to see every day. Wow. Quite a crowd out here today, people. Just as far as the eye can see, there's cool cars. So there you go. Look, in case you missed it, there's even some Ford pickup trucks. The old and the new. Okay. As far as the eye can see. So there you go. D&V Auto Body having this huge event today. And just tried to give you a little quick glimpse of it all. So, like I said, just Google Drivin Ivan and your favorite car. And check out my disc golf videos too if you like to play disc golf. And literal video, music videos, literal video for Chris Isaac's Wicked Game. I got a pretty funny COVID-19 video too. And on my own music video with my guitar collection and car collection in it, Free Your Mind. Check that one out elsewhere on YouTube. But there you go. Some great cars out here today. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to follow me on Twitter and Instagram. Check out all my other videos, as I said. There you have it. Thanks for watching. I'm Drivin Ivan.